This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to change the Firefox background wallpaper. So I'm right here in Firefox on a random web page right here. So wherever you are in Firefox, we just need to hit this new tab. So we click on new tab. This is the easiest way to do it. It's the easiest way to find these settings. You've got this random page, kind of random news articles there. That doesn't matter. Come to the very bottom where it says customize. So you can hover over the pen icon. You can see customize. We'll click that. And now from here, this is the default wallpaper. It's just this kind of off-white grey colour that we have right here. And so what we can do is we can select any of these. So you can upload an image directly from your computer, or you can just start clicking some of these and seeing what you like right here. So you can immediately see that the changes are reflected right here. So this is the main background wallpaper. Depending on what you choose, so they've got that sort of metallic one right there. Up to you. That is the abstract section. There's a solid colours section. We've got this nice purple, a little bit like the background of my thumbnails right here on this channel. Then we've got this blue, a red, up to you. So you can just flick through and see what you like. There's loads of photo options. You got like Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights kind of look there. We've also got this like Golden Gate Bridge one. There's some palm trees, a beach setting. There's some animal ones, and so on and so forth. So you can just look through. Again, you can add your own image. There's some celestial ones here, some space related ones. We've also got the Firefox sort of default ones. You can have the fox just sort of hanging out down the bottom, poking its head through, whatever. I'm just going through a few of these. You can add the weather or turn it off right here. You can have shortcuts depending on how many you want in rows. Recommended stories, let's turn that off as that is quite annoying. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Solid colors, I'm actually going to go with my purple right here, as I quite like that. That's pretty much my hex code for the purple actually on this YouTube channel. And once you've actually made your selections there, we can click close. And oh, you actually see the weather up there. So it's saying New York. I'm not going to set my location. I'm not actually in New York, but it's just saying that by default right there. You can obviously change that, change your location and stuff. But that is, has been a short video on how to change the Firefox background wallpaper. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.